Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of delicious cooking with the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a game changer. And to prove it, we're making 3 mouth-watering dishes: crispy chicken wings, salmon with lemon garlic, and loaded Brussels sprouts. Let's get cooking! First, let's talk about why the Typhur Dome 2 is a total game changer. It's powered by 360 degrees Fahrenheit heating technology with dual heating elements, top and bottom. That means perfectly even cooking with no need for constant flipping or shaking. Plus, dual temperature sensors ensure your food is cooked to perfection every single time. Whether you're perfecting a pizza, griddling pancakes, or searing a steak to juicy perfection, the Typhur Dome 2 delivers restaurant quality results right in your kitchen. Let's see it in action. First up, crispy chicken wings. These are a family favorite, and with the Typhur Dome 2, they're easier than ever to make. Let's get started. Pat the chicken wings dry and toss them in olive oil to ensure they're evenly coated. Next, mix up this flavorful spice rub and coat the chicken wings evenly. This is where the magic happens. Place the chicken wings in the basket in a single layer. Set to wings 395 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 14 minutes. Flipping halfway through for that perfect crispiness. Look at this! Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. These chicken wings are a total crowd pleaser. Next, let's make salmon with lemon garlic. This dish is light, flavorful, and perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Whisk together salt, pepper, parsley, olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice to create a simple zesty marinade. Brush the marinade over the salmon fillet, making sure every inch is coated with that delicious flavor. Place the fillet in the basket. Set to grill 450 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 minutes. The Typhur Dome 2's grill mode ensures a perfect caramelized crust while keeping the inside tender and flaky. Just look at this! Perfectly seared, perfectly juicy, and ready to impress. Who needs a fancy restaurant when you've got the Typhur Dome 2? Finally, let's whip up some loaded Brussels sprouts. These are crispy, savory, and loaded with flavor. Perfect as a side dish or even a snack. Add some chopped bacon for that smoky and savory kick. This takes Brussels sprouts to a whole new level. Then toss the half Brussels sprouts with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Place the sprouts in the basket in a single layer. Set to air fry 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 10 minutes. Shaking the basket halfway through for even cooking. These Brussels sprouts are next level, crispy, loaded, and absolutely irresistible. Even the sprout skeptics will love these. Here's the user manual. Now, let's talk about the cleanup. The Typhur Dome 2 has an upgraded self-cleaning function that operates at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, breaking down grease and grime so you don't have to. It's like having a personal kitchen assistant. And with 15 cooking functions like pizza, bacon, steak, fries, toast, and more, it's your all-in-one kitchen hero. And there you have it. Crispy chicken wings, salmon with lemon garlic, and loaded Brussels sprouts, all made effortless with the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Ready to upgrade your cooking game? Grab your Typhur Dome 2 today and save an extra 10% with my unique code in the description box below.